In this video, I'll guide you through how to downgrade Google Drive storage if you've been paying for more space than you actually need, or you're just looking to cut down on monthly expenses. Adjusting your storage plan is quick and straightforward once you know where to click. I'll walk you through each part of the process so you feel confident making the change. First, open Google Drive. You can do this in any web browser by going to the Google Drive website and signing in with the account whose storage plan you want to change. It's important that you're in the right account, especially if you manage more than one Google account in the same browser. Take a second to check the profile picture or initial in the top right corner and make sure it's the correct one before you move on. Once you're in Google Drive, look toward the top right corner of the page for the settings icon. This is the small gear symbol. Click that gear icon, and from the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Upgrade Storage. Even though it says upgrade, this is actually the place where you manage all of your storage options, including downgrading. When the storage page opens, you'll see an overview of your current plan, how much space you're using, and what your subscription includes. On this page, find and click the button or link that says Manage Plan. This is the control center for your Google One or Google Drive storage subscription. If you're on a paid plan, this is where you can see your billing frequency, your next renewal date, and what options are available. After you click Manage Plan, you'll be shown a list of possible storage plans. Look through the options and choose a lower storage plan than the one you're currently using. For example, if you're on a very large plan, you might step down to something smaller that still covers your needs. Before you select a smaller plan, it's a good idea to check how much storage you're actually using. If your current usage is higher than the lower plan you choose, your files will not automatically be deleted, but you could run into limits when uploading new files or receiving emails in Gmail, since storage is shared across Google services. Once you've decided on the lower plan that works for you, click on it to start the downgrade process. From here, just follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the change. You may be asked to confirm your billing details, agree to any plan changes, and acknowledge when the new plan will take effect. Typically, your downgrade will start at the end of your current billing period, so you won't lose any time you've already paid for. Carefully read each confirmation screen before you click to proceed. Make sure you understand when the downgrade will apply and how it might affect your available storage going forward. When you're done, you should see a confirmation message showing your updated plan. And that's it. You've successfully downgraded your Google Drive storage. By following these steps, you can better align your storage plan with what you actually use and avoid paying for extra space you don't need.